Lesson 1, A Simple Day, talking about routines and feelings. Hello, Anna. How are you today?
Hi, teacher. I'm good. How about you?
I'm great, thank you. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I went to bed early. What about you?
Nice, I slept well too. So, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7, then I brush my teeth and eat breakfast.
Oh, that's a good routine. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I drink milk. What do you eat?
I like coffee and fruit. It's simple but healthy. Do you like coffee?
No, I don't like coffee. It's too bitter. I like juice more.
Okay, juice is good too. How do you feel today?
I feel happy today. It's sunny outside, and I like sunny days. How do you feel?
I feel happy too. Sunny days make me smile. What do you want to do today?
I want to study English and play with my friends. What about you?
Great plan. I want to teach you English and read a book later. Anna, you speak English very well today. Keep it up, okay?
Thank you, teacher. I will. See you tomorrow.
Lesson 2. What's your favorite? Talking about likes and dislikes. Hi, Anna. Do you like weekends?
Yes, teacher. I like weekends a lot. Do you?
Yes, I do. Weekends are fun. What's your favorite day?
My favorite day is Saturday. I can sleep late and watch TV. What's yours?
Mine is Sunday. I visit my family. Do you like TV shows?
Yes, I like cartoons. They're funny. What do you like to watch?
I like movies. Action movies are exciting. Do you like movies?
Yes, but I don't like scary movies. They make me afraid.
Oh, I understand. What else do you like to do on weekends?
I like to play games with my friends. It's so fun. What about you?
I like cooking. I make pizza sometimes. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza. Can you teach me to make it?
Sure, Anna, next time we'll talk about food. You're doing great. Lesson 3, Let's go somewhere. Talking about places and plans. Hi, Anna. Where do you want to go today?
Hi, teacher. I want to go to the park. It's nice there. Where do you want to go?
The park sounds fun. I want to go to the beach. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do. The beach is hot, but the water is cool. Do you swim?
Yes, I love swimming. What do you do at the park?
I walk and play with my dog. He's very fast. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. She's lazy but cute. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. He likes to run. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Luna. She likes to sleep all day. Do you want to travel someday?
Yes, I want to go to the mountains. They look big and beautiful. You?
I want to visit a big city. It's busy but exciting. Good job, Anna. Lesson 4, What's happening? Talking about the weather and activities. Hello, Anna. How's the weather today?
Hi, teacher. It's rainy today. I don't like rain. What's the weather like there?
It's windy here. I like wind. It's cool. What do you do when it rains?
I stay home and read books. What do you do when it's windy?
I fly a kite. It's fun in the wind. Do you have a kite?
No, but I want one. Kites look colorful. Do you like rain?
Sometimes rain is good for plants. What's your favorite weather?
I like sunny weather. I can go outside and play. What's yours?
I like snowy weather. Snow is white and pretty. Have you seen snow?
No, but I want to. Is it cold?
Yes, very cold. You're speaking so well, Anna. Let's talk more tomorrow. Lesson 5. Who's in your family? Talking about people you love. Hi, Anna. Do you have a big family?
Hi, teacher. No, my family is small. I have a mom, a dad, and a brother. You?
My family is medium. I have parents and 2 sisters. Is your brother older or younger?
He's younger. He's 10 years old and very noisy. What about your sisters?
They're older. One is a teacher like me, and one is a doctor. Do you like your brother?
Yes, but sometimes he's annoying. Do you like your sisters?
Yes, they're funny and kind. Who's your favorite person in your family?
My mom. She cooks great food. Who's yours?
My dad. He tells good stories. You're doing so well, Anna. Lesson 6. What's for lunch? Talking about food and drinks. Hi, Anna. Are you hungry?
Hi, teacher. Yes, a little. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken today. It's delicious. What about you?
I eat noodles and soup. I like spicy food. Do you?
Yes, I love spicy food. Do you drink water with lunch?
No, I drink juice. Water is boring. What do you drink?
I drink tea. It's warm and nice. What's your favorite food?
Pizza. It's so good. What's yours?
I like sushi. It's fresh and tasty. Great job, Anna. Lesson 7. What do you see? Talking about colors and things around you. Hi, Anna. What color is your shirt today?
Hi, teacher. It's blue. I like blue. What color is your shirt?
Mine is green. Green is my favorite. What do you see outside now?
I see a yellow car and a big tree. What do you see?
I see a red bird and a gray sky. Do you like colorful things?
Yes, I do. Rainbows are so pretty. Do you?
Yes, I love rainbows too. What's your favorite color?
Red. It's bright. What's yours?
Purple, it's calm. You're speaking so well, Anna. Lesson 8. What's your dream? Talking about hopes and wishes. Hi, Anna. What do you want to be in the future?
Hi, teacher. I want to be a singer. I like music. What about you?
I want to be a writer. I love books. Can you sing, Anna?
Yes, a little. I'm not very good yet. Can you write?
Yes, I write stories. They're fun. What's your big dream?
I want to travel the world and sing. What's yours?
I want to live in a big house and write books. Do you dream a lot?
Yes, every night. Dreams are exciting. You?
Me too. Keep practicing English, Anna. You're amazing. Lesson 9. What's that sound? Talking about noises and animals. Hi, Anna. Do you hear any sounds now?
Hi, teacher. Yes, I hear a dog barking. It's loud. What do you hear?
I hear birds singing. It's so nice. Do you like dogs?
Yes, I do. They're cute. Do you like birds?
Yes, they're pretty. What animal makes a funny sound?
A duck. It says quack quack. So funny. What about you?
A frog. It says ribbit ribbit. Do you have animals at home?
Yes, my dog Max. What about you?
My cat Luna. Great talking, Anna. Lesson 10. Let's have fun. Talking about games and hobbies. Hi, Anna. Do you like games?
Hi, teacher. Yes, I like video games. They're fun. Do you?
Yes, I play board games with my friends. What game do you play?
I play a racing game. Cars go fast. What about you?
I play chess. It's slow but smart. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I draw pictures. It's relaxing. What's your hobby?
I take photos. I like beautiful things. Do you win at games?
Sometimes. I try hard. Do you?
Yes, sometimes. You're awesome, Anna. Keep it up. Wow, Anna, you're a star. Speak English every day. It's easy and fun. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite thing to talk about? Hit subscribe and join us next time for more exciting chats. Let's keep going.